Speaker, I thank the Minister for the explanation. I have 3 SQ to
Can you keep it to 2 SQ so the others can ask as well? I'll come back to you if there's time.
Yeah. Well, the issue here is really about fairness before the law, whether we have the rule of law in Singapore or not. The Minister has shared that some of the exceptions involve the offender having absconded or absconded. May I ask the first question then, did the police specifically issue a written order for Mr. Lee Hsien and Ms. Lim Shek Fern to attend to the investigation at the police station? Secondly, he mentioned the difference between the KOM case and this case. But isn't the KOM case also a matter of very wide public interest? A lot of people are very interested in the names of the 6 individuals. And I do not understand the legal process very well, but under the stern warning letter, is there a paragraph that say that these 6 individuals of the KOM are guilty, but the prosecutor decided, or the CPIB decided, not to pursue the case because of some other reasons? So we have a situation here that for the KOM case, actually it's a more serious case. They are actually guilty. And we have the names in the foreign jurisdiction documents or that already, actually. This is one point. Second point is that the KOM case is actually of deep public interest. So why is there a double standard? Thank you.
So, I took some care to explain the difference between the KOM case and the case of Mr. Liu and the Lees. As I understand the member, he says that, well, the KOM case is a case of public interest. People are interested to know the names. So why is there a double standard? Did the member listen to the explanation on the difference between the KOM case and the case of the Lees and Mr. Liu? Perhaps the member can go into a little bit of detail based on the explanation I've given on the differences and tell us which part of the explanation he disagrees before he alleges double standards. Get to the facts. I have set out what the differences are. So tell me which part you don't understand or you disagree with. And on his first question, did police issue a written order? They were given an email. They promised that they will come and give an interview. They then left the jurisdiction, and they have said both to the police and in public that they will not cooperate with the police. They will not even come back into the jurisdiction. I think that is why I said they are essentially abscondists from justice. But for the record, I have made it very clear why the disclosure here is consistent with the disclosure in the Carl Liu's case. And you, sir, through you, I would also like to ask Mr. Leong, if Mr. Leong didn't see any problem when Mr. Liu's name was mentioned in similar circumstances, in fact, he took part in the debate and wanted a commission of inquiry, why this extraordinary concern suddenly about the lease that he didn't show for Mr. Liu? And perhaps he can explain why his approach shows double standards.
Mr. Leong.